and every year 4th January is celebrated as World Braille Day on the birth anniversary of Louis Braille. Louis has lost his eyesight at the age of 3 years due to some infection. Later, he invested all his energy and time in academic studies. He did well in his academic studies. After that, he started to think something to invent for the welfare of entire blind and visually impaired community. At the age of 15 years, he invented Braille Lipi. Braille Lipi consists only 6 dots. All codes can be defined within 6 dots, and Braille Lipi can be written in any language. There is no language barrier. Anyone can learn Braille at any age. Learning Braille helps to improve reading and writing skills. It helps to create literacy among the blind and visually impaired community. After 190 years, United Nations organization has recognized Braille Lipi as a medium of reading and writing for blind and visually impaired community. So I am very grateful to the United Nations, and my request to Government of India and other governments as well, that they should celebrate World Braille Day as a national forward. This will help to generate awareness among the common masses. And my request to sighted people, means people those who have eyesight, they can also learn Braille and help anyone. They can find any blind or visually impaired child in their family or in their neighborhood. They can help the child to learn, read and write at the early age. So this will also help child to become a successful person in his or her life.